Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Alcatel 1SE Lite. So let's start. If you see something like that in your notification bar, or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, just spamming pop-ups, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open settings. Then go to the apps and notifications. And tap on the CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just open it and do install by this button. Tap on OK, and after that go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Tap on the storage and cache and choose clear storage. Tap on the clear all data and choose OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, tap on a green circle and choose OK, then add permissions and files. Now the scan started, and after that your phone should be free from notifications, softwares and any unwanted app on your storage. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.